So it's going to be a quick unboxing of the new Razer Hammerhead True Wireless headphones. This is second generation version of their Hammerhead earbuds. First one's coming out in 2019. These ones have a couple of new features. First, it has active noise cancellation. It has a new in-ear design, which is slightly different than the half-ear design that the previous model had. There's also Razer Chroma RGB, Bluetooth 5.0. You can get around 6.5 hours of listening time and 26 hours additional from the charging case. So yeah, let's dig inside the box. So here we have the earbuds in their case. You have a USB-C port. If you're on Android, you also have support for Google Fast Pair, so you can open them up and then you should see a prompt to start pairing them. Inside the box, there's also a USB-C to USB-A cable, extra silicone tips. There should be 3 pairs, one on the earbuds themselves and then like a smaller and larger. And then the rest is just a little letter from the co-founder and CEO of Razer, warranty coverage and manual. So yeah, that's been a quick unboxing of the Razer Hammerhead True Wireless 2021 version. They're available now from Razer's website for $159 Canadian or $129 US. So that's been a quick unboxing of the new Razer Hammerhead True Wireless.